All right, well, we are going to look as we finish up our ELA lesson for today at our grammar time. And today's topic in grammar is subjects, simple subjects and complete subjects. So you may not remember a lot about subjects and predicates, but we're going to review this week on them. Now, a sentence has to have a subject that tells what or who the sentence is about, and it has to have a predicate that tells what that person or thing is or what it does. So I've written 5 sentences about my cat named Shasta. And we're going to look at these 5 sentences and we're going to divide them right between the subject and the predicate. And then our focus today is on the simple subject and the complete subject. So let's look at this first sentence here. Mr. Helton's cat is chubby like him. Boy, is that true. Well, who is this sentence about? What are all the words that tells who this sentence is about? All of the words. Well, it's Mr. Helton's cat. And what does Mr. Helton's cat do, or what is Mr. Helton's cat? Well, it is chubby like him. So we're going to draw a line. You're not, but I'm going to draw a line right here. So this is called the subject of the sentence. And if we underline it, that shows the complete subject. It's all of the words that are in the subject that tell who or what the sentence is about. Now, this second part here is called the predicate. It is not what we're going to focus on today, but it tells the action or what something is. But we're going to focus on the subject of the sentences today. So the complete subject is Mr. Helton's cat. What is the one word there that you think might be the simple subject? The one word the sentence is about. Do you think it's about Mr.? Mr. is chubby like him? No. Helton's is chubby like him? No. Or is this sentence saying the cat is chubby like him? That's it, isn't it? This sentence, simple subject is cat. So I'm going to highlight that there. The simple subject is cat. So the whole subject or complete subject is Mr. Helton's cat, but the one word the sentence is about is that cat. Let's do the same thing for these next 4 sentences. Number 2 says the cat's name is Shasta. What do you think this sentence is about? All the words. Well, this sentence is about the cat's name. So let's draw the line here. Notice is a good clue that that's where the predicate begins. So the predicate, remember, tells what happens or what it is. So is Shasta. And remember, the beginning part is called the complete subject. So all of the words that tell what the sentence is about is the complete subject, the cat's name. So now we have to do like we did in this first sentence and find the one word that's the simple subject. Would it be the? The is Shasta? Cat's is Shasta? Or is this saying its name is Shasta? That's right, its name, the cat's name. Name is the simple subject in this sentence. The cat's name is the complete subject. The simple subject is just name. And we call this second part the predicate. We'll look more at that tomorrow. All right, sentence number 3. Shasta sleeps all day and plays all night. Who or what is this sentence about? Is it about sleeping? No, that's something you do. That's not who it's about. So it must be Shasta, right? Well, look at this one. It's a little different. The complete subject is Shasta, and then the rest of the sentence tells what she does. So that's the predicate. So I'm going to divide the sentence there. Here's my subject, Shasta. It's who the sentence is about. And the rest of the sentence tells what they do. Sleeps all day and plays all night. Well, if this is the simple subject, the complete subject, and it's the only word, then it has to be the simple subject too, doesn't it? So this sentence is a little different because the simple subject and the complete subject are exactly the same. Now look at sentence number 4. The rabbits run away from Shasta. Who's this sentence about? Is it Shasta? Not really, because Shasta doesn't run away from Shasta. Who's it about? That's right. It's about the rabbits. And what do? They run away from Shasta. So we'll divide it here. Here's who it's about, the subject. Here's what they do, the predicate. So the complete subject is going to be all the words, the rabbits. And what do you think the one word is that's the simple subject? The ran away from Shasta? No. Of course, it's rabbits ran away from Shasta. So we're going to highlight that. Okay. Now let's look at this last sentence. Sweet little Shasta is a good cat. What do you think? Who's it about? Yeah, it's about sweet little Shasta. What is she? Is a good cat. So we're going to put a line right there. Okay. Now, what word is the simple subject? Well, we better do the complete subject first, hadn't we? All the words are sweet little Shasta. And then what is she or what does she do? She is a good cat. And what's the one word? Sweet is a good cat? No. Little is a good cat? No. Of course, it's Shasta is the simple subject. Shasta is a good cat. So let's review. The subject of the sentence is the part of the sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. All of the words that are in the subject are called the complete subject. And the one word in the subject that tells what the sentence is about is called the simple subject. Now, I've created a Google form for you to look at some sentences, and you're either going to choose the complete subject or the simple subject. So read the directions or read the question carefully to make sure you know if it's asking whether it's I'm wanting the simple subject, which is the one word, or the complete subject. This will be a grade, so make sure you turn it in.